Hey guys, Crypto Trends Daily. This is Silverbacked, and just going through a market update. We're looking at the BTC USD pair, currently still trending up. We had an entry or a buy call at sort of like 101, 200, and we're currently sitting, 101, 584. So we're a little bit higher up there. So we've got that trend right. So we're following this underlying trend here. We haven't really seen a breakout yet, so there's nothing that's been really too exciting. One thing that is bugging me, it's just annoying me, is and I've mentioned it in the notes in the chat, is that these sort of structures here are exactly the opposite of what is profitable, because obviously when it comes down to the that point there when we buy, and then a low point here when we sell, that whole period of time is 4 days and negative 5.19% performance on the 4 hour. So, we want to try and eliminate those. I mean, we can sort of like forgive this to a certain point, because we had the big run where we sort of got us in here and out here, which was like 33% in 18 days, and you felt the euphoria around that time. 33.58 divided by that's what is it, 18.2? What is it, 18? Let's say 0.5 days. So 1.8% a day. Wow. I'm happy to forgive this period of time if it's basically, what is it, 4 days compared to 18 days. Yeah, proportionately. So that only makes up 25% of our experience, and the rest of the experience was like 1.8% a day. Yeah, on average, though, that sort of works. I mean, I know this is a smaller time period too, as well. So yeah, so at the moment we're still looking good. I'm not going to sort of throw the baby out with the bathwater with regard to the 4 hour time frame just yet, but I am looking, and I want to try and avoid these if possible, but I don't want to make any like rash decisions or changes. So anyway, onwards and upwards. I'll keep on looking in, and I'll be watching it closely. But in general, between that whole time frame, you can't really complain. Like our balances have been going up. You've got to have some drawdowns and see that in your accounts occasionally. But like, if we can dig ourselves out of it and then eventually come out with no loss at the end of it, just staying with the trend and persisting. And as soon as we start making like 1% a day, 1.5% a day, we're all going to be sort of high-fiving. So these markets that are ranging like this, or staying within a range, it's going to be frustrating, or actually not profitable at all. So just thought I'd let you know. Like when we do have downward periods too, like say for example, I'm just looking for a downward period. Let me just do this. When we get experiences like this, where we do have the downward period that's extended for a long time, the advantage of this is that we're going to be able to sort of get out of these, 50% losses of our portfolio, or actually make money as it's going up and down on the way through, to accumulate more USD or BTC as we go. So I'm erring on the side of keeping our agility in the 4 hour time frame at the moment. So anyway, enough on that. So yeah, going into the actual, obviously BTC is winning, so we should have BTC in our portfolio. That's what we should be holding, outside anything that may be outperforming it. So at the moment, looking at the charts, we have Ethereum is outperforming, so we'd have a 5% allocation there. XRP is not. It's got a sell call there. Solana is still actually has switched to a sell call. So if you got Solana, you would get out of it. So let me just do this while I've got you here. So let me just go into here. I'll update this as I go. So obviously we're working in the top 20. So in this this is the chat section. I'm just updating. It says sell Solana. So this is the top daily top 20 we're looking at the moment. Daily top 20. Oh, sorry, it's weekly. Daily top 20. So I want to go into here and I want to find Solana and kill that out of the portfolio. Done. So that's 95. So it has to be 35 to make it 100. Alright, go through the rest of it. Solana's out, so BNB is in. So let's go back to so BNB. I'll mark that down for you guys following the chat. Is back in. So in here, there's obviously no BNB, so I'll just add BNB. Give that an allocation. I'll even out the BTC percentage at the end. BNB is in. Doge is still out. ADA is in. TRX is in. AVAX is still in. Ton is still in. Link is still in. Dot is now out. So let me start off with here. So sell. Okay, first of all, COT. Dot. Here it is there. X that out of it. Dot is out. XLM is out. SUI is still in. H bar is now out of the portfolio. Oh, sorry, in. Sorry. Oh, what are we doing? In. Okay, let me just double check and see, make sure I've got that. H bar. So that should be added. So add H bar. Oops. 5% there. Again, I'll even that out later. So adding H bar to buy is HBAR. Back to the charts. Bitcoin Cash is still a sell. Uni is still a buy. Litecoin is still a buy. OKB is still a sell. Near is now just turned to a sell. And so which one's a sell? Okay, so Near is a sell. Get rid of it. Sell. And then last one is Polygon. Polygon is now a sell. It's listed here as Matic, but you know it's basically Matic and Polygon are the same thing. So let me just go here. So sell is POL. Just double checking that. Yep, it was a sell. Yep, and then POLB here. Get rid of that. Okay, so that's the first top 20 done. So that's current sub is 95. So I need to make that 40 to make it 100, and then away we go. I'll put that summary down below the video. And going straight on, that'll update in the background. The top 40, or 2240. Aptos is still a buy. Arbitrum is still a buy. Internet Computer is still a buy. Ethereum Classic is still a buy. Render is now just switched to in the red now. So if I go here, Render. So top 40 is sells. RENDER. And find the top 40 daily bots. Top 40 daily, top 40. Okay. So we are a sell. Yeah, sell. Render. Here it is. Okay, so sell it. There you go. And then moving on. FET is still a sell. Tau is still a sell. VEET is now a sell from a buy. Changed. VEET. VEET is now a sell. So over here, sell, listing VEETs, the bot, get rid of it out of there. Okay. CRO is still a buy. AVE is still a buy. Going well, actually. CAS is still a sell. That was a good call. Filecoin is now a sell. File is a sell. So top 40 sells. FIL. Update the bot to get rid of file. And we have Algo is still a sell. OM is still, actually no, is now changed to a sell. OM, top 40 sells. OM, the bot to get rid of OM. Immutable X is still a buy. STX is still a sell. FTM, Phantom, still a buy. Ondo, still a buy, going well. Atom is still a buy, and TIA has just switched to a sell. Okay, So Tia, there it is there. Just make that a cell. Update. Oh, I'll do this while I'm here. That's got to be 50 then, isn't it? So what was the last one was 50, like that. Tia was the cell, wasn't it? Yeah. So let me go back to here and go top 40 cells, and that is TR. Okay, alright, so I'll just make sure that goes out to you guys. So that's the summary of everything I just did. So if you just want to update it just directly without going for the video vlog, you can. I'll just write my logo there. You can skip watching the vid if you do these settings. Cool, so that'll go out to you guys. And that's it basically. I'll put all the details to everything. If you're just joining and just subscribed, I'll have all the details to copy the bot, to copy those new parameters or settings that I've just put in there. And thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.